Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another awesome video. If you're here, I'm Lizzie. Also, I messed up on this animation. Anyway, so this story comes, oh wait, hold on, let me fix this. Okay, so yeah, the story, okay, hold on. Okay, so the story goes in with Suoboy. The reason why, it goes with Suoboy. Yeah, so we're on our way to Suoboy. Also, why we call it Suoboy is because copyright, so please don't sue me. But anyways, so yeah, Suoboy is where we were driving to for this story, basically. So, let's start. So you know like the birds that are, sit on the electrical light post things and lines, you know? Well, yeah. So, one of them disappeared. Whoops. Oops. Well, anyways, so yeah, you know those birds, the blackbirds, you know, they like to sit on the electric lines, poles, and things when you're going down the road. Well, anyways, if you don't know what I'm talking about, still, you know, the ugly black birds with green eyes, gray wings, and they're just creepy and just stare, and yeah, they sit on lines and twigs and roads. If you still don't know what I'm talking about, you know, they steal your bread and fly away, and then you're like trying to chase after them because they stole your bread and your food, and then you're just like, ah! Or the ones that poop on your car. More or less, this one's pooping on a toilet. But anyways, but yeah, it's fine, whatever, peace. But no, there was so many there. There was like 100 plus or 1,000. But anyways, yeah, still, there was so many there. There was like so many, and there was like so many. And it's like the bird apocalypse, like part 2. But anyways, yeah, I'm like tired, and these cat animations right here take a long time, so I'm like dead because I worked really hard on doing these ones. So, but party time now because I'm about to show you guys a clip of the actual bird apocalypse. Hooray, man. Anyways, you guys, hope you guys like this animation. If you did, smash the like button also, and make sure to subscribe. And also, by the way, go subscribe to my other channel. It's going to have all of these animations on it. Also, these ones, cat, like the ones that look like the one I'm showing right now, take a long time to make. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. And, yeah. Hope you guys like my animation video.